I'm very okay with that. I love that. In fact, I would love to take that as a title. I mean, because I don't owe you any explanation of telling you how I live my life. You don't deserve to know anything. You understand? So anybody where they say they need, but you have to reply to, I don't need to. You see the way the disgrace is just coming out. See the one Lola with my Queen Lola was playing yesterday. I was like, oh, that one is enough. That one is enough, because me, the last time I checked where I come from, that was already an abomination. It's already an abomination for any Oslo the branch, long time. I've been not being this. Is that not my? There's not that Oslo the branch I know. Wow, long time. Good morning. She not reach. She not reach for me to answer. No. Just let her the. Oh man, you're a fear and for not keep talking or I don't. If to say maybe wait till they talk, they hurt me now. They say I don't even know if she exists. So just forget about that. She not today. If the only person I have problem with right now is Omozo, and in a way, it's an honor to me. Because among all the gallant women, even some now where they fight me. Omozo say don't first see their could fight with them. So we all know it's a lie. Now he say he not get the number. That day he say he go call the guy now, put her online. Now he say he not get the number of the guy again. He say he not know where the guy. He don't the bear man. That one want just use shame, collect swear. He want just use shame, collect swear, put for us. But that's not an issue. You see my pekus na my own now. You see my pekus you pay 100K. No, I consider and say na business I use and follow you do. Oyibo, if we go run Oyibo they pay now. So how much more Oyibo say go still feel? How much more you will not feel and you just use I see you pay 100K. It's also a plus to me. But anyways, I want you can talk for the rightful place. So that one no me I don't get problem with that one. So you see my pekus na bati. But you drop 100K now. 100,000 naira is that's the time when you take send is more than 100 euro to just sick bekus. How much more you both will go run out for abroad, they go pay how much. So forget that one. That one a business. I would just consider as a business I use and do. I'm a single woman. But you have accused married women and all that on social media, say you see their bekus. They not take action when me take. So now then I take personal. You understand? So me, as you can see, I'm too gallant. I say where I go, everybody they say Meg. No, they talk to those people for social media. They crazy. Your level too much. You too pass them. Yes, I know say I pass them. And you know, when you know the kind psycho you are, you know how to, you know. Exactly, Tina Tango. You understand? Me, consider come on live video. Can they say, hey, I can't they reply? I want reply. God forbid. May I not be identified with a nuisance? Are you guys not seeing them that some of them are restless, unkept? So don't wrinkle because of social media. Thank God for Facebook app and effects when they put for body. See their skin. Person never die. Skin don't they wrinkle. Now you can't take compare me. Say, I money be this. I never wake. I just wake up. I never bath. See picking body. I beg you. Me consider. Huh? It's nothing where they go. When not what she wants up when she never fought up till 2019. Now she need to now anything where she talk now she sabi. As you see me so me open my live video answer Monica. She not rich. She not rich. As she just they talk about she can't do. She's hungry for my attention, but I can't give it to her. I can't give it to her. No. You get where she go reach. Limit when she go reach. She don't they look for my attention. And every eye when they see, don't say and say she they find my attention. But she not reach when I come open like this. Me and she not feed the craze for social media. It's what she's known for. She's known for this kind of attitude. So we are not the same. She just wants traffic. She wants traffic. She wants to feed on my name. Let her go with it. But for me, her hair will be okay? And her hair will be what if Monica want talk when she never felt talk for 2019? And why will I be regret? She's desperate for my attention. That is it. That is just it. And now we are no longer in the same category. I'm sorry. Igbe. As she can't talk about me now, according to you, now you that just wrote this one, you say she was talking to me yesterday, talking about me yesterday. Okay, as she can't talk about me yesterday, she not end the video into us. Let her continue today. And did that take anything away from me? No. As I'm talking to you, I only have this coming weekend now free. Upper weekend, I did Paris, they go flex my life. I get party when they invite me as the vice chair lady of the occasion. So now me will come the create on social media with all these refracts so that you know, God forbid. I know where I belong to. I don't belong to associate with social media miscreants. Gone are those days I did that. I will not repeat it again. So me, what did she want to tell me? She be single mother. Two pikin, two papa, yes, but none of them don't come out and ask me for DNA. I've never been embarrassed. No man don't come out and tell me how they take the choo can for my body. But I can count how many men have been accused with a so-called married woman. Come on, get inside, my dear. Now you because you sabi carry one more make your you sabi carry tongue for man's talk. Does that mean say now you talk pass? Person they love when I get my we hand up, but no when I saying my dear. I was so I take me a negli ajo wa board dig beg you egi hon. What it be your problem? You know the shame. You know the shame. Because they tell me will keep you quiet. You know the shame. You know they use your IQ. And even though say you be illiterate, but you marry educated man, still they learn from her. Not buying no you go do. What it be your problem? But it concern me, concern you. I find you. I reach where you did. If Bessie ask you now, what it be your problem with Precious Meg? What do you want to tell her? Oh, because we want to Precious Meg. Single mother Precious Meg. My name is not Precious Meg. My name is Precious Meg. Not Precious Meg. Nonsense. I beg. No fish shot. Natanya Roslyn, good morning. Yeah, I went again. Oh, that isn't a dance habito. Me, as I'm, you know, that gallant, I'm too gallant. I don't feed on social media money. I'm too gallant. If really say birds of this, you and your followers are not birds of the same feathers, there would have been a responsible one to always address some of them, to call you and say, what happened between you and this woman? Nothing. Everybody, Olivia Matter, somebody that they deported. We tried to call a lawyer to see how we can support him. You know me say we won't carry and come. I not be immigration lawyer. I not be waiting call when you won't carry person where they give person visa. I know they work for embassy. I just talk my opinion. Why you was one in here? And you can't say that one will come to touch me. You don't really do anything, but hunger is real in her life. Exactly. Not bera. Have you ever seen me, a gallant woman like me, sitting down looking for who is not looking for me? No. No. I don't do that. I go to work. Even today, now I not go work now because of the journey and the stress of my weekend. My money, my full-time money today will be paid. It will be paid. So continue talking. If you think me, I will come out and online video and come and reply you, you are wasting your time. Because I will not do it. We are no longer in the same category. Go and look for how you can do a surgery on your tongue. Maybe they pronounce my name well before I come answer you. Nonsense. Because I just say make I keep quiet. I when I want pressure Meg. At least let them educate you how to call precious. I'm precious. Or you call me Mommy P. Okay? Call me Mommy P International. Call me Gallant Lady P. You know as you said they hear me before. Gallant Mama, Gallant Lady P. Gallant Mommy P. Call me those names. Not Pressure Meg. I'm not pressure. I'm precious. No get no gang. Now just on live video with you now with you now. While now just say live don't end. If somebody wants to be responsible or no be because of Olivier matter. She said you were on a mission when you were friends with her. My dear sister, I've been abroad at Honey Hope. Let me correct you on that, because last time I saw the way you corrected me on something I wrote here, and that is why that name in my head, Honey Hope. Now make me want to answer you. My dear, after taking insult for years, after she don't use her mouth chop shit for 2019, she came out and said everything she said about me was a lie. She apologized. Apart from apologizing more than 3 times on a live video, indoors, she was always calling me to tell me to good morning, my beautiful wife. My children, say my children swag, eh? Say it tight. You are doing a good job. May God bless you, my darling mommy Nora. Money ma. So you guys saw it. Nobody even if Precious Meg is still on Facebook these days. Nobody insult me anymore. But because of this set of people, I was always getting insulted there on a daily basis. But still, the fans and followers, they say na fake friendship. You know, when it's too much, it's too much. Since it's fake friendship, I have to tell them what they want to hear, and that's okay. At this time, maybe it might be, since you not believe the friendship and the insult I took because of you guys, then it means maybe I was on a mission. Do you know? Maybe it might be I was on a mission. That was why. Because how can I dedicate my life, myself, to even support you as a human being? I'm going against my own sister, which is Lolo, gallant, responsible sister, where get class. I can't they follow market woman, they do friend. I can't see they collecting sojourner. And in followers still they say what you call fake friendship. Then I will tell na waiting on 1 year. That is why I said I was on a mission. Yes. Because this one not great believe. Then believe what the share as I can't say I was on a mission now. Now believe that one. Now believe that one now. Do you think say for real life, for gallantry, for class, for levels, for everything, for even average education, let me not say 100% of education between 2 persons, do you think I will be where I was before? Check out Lolo. She come out, no matter her, even though say she's a bit talking, according to her, she's not a bit writer, but at least talking at all, she's not calling me Pesho Meg. She know they pronounce me Pesho Meg. She know how to address English. That one alone is a plus. I mean, don't see any public where person go they talk English, but they will come give them pen and paper, say they write them. Mona go hide. Like, how dare you guys doubt my friendship that I collected insult? Go see Rita Yemiomo today. Rita Yemiomo. Yes, go see her. It wasn't her intention to insult my parents. But because of this person, that woman insulted my parents. Which I also talked about at her, and we've settled it. Not something like that will never repeat itself again. You understand? And she also apologized to my parents, and her parents are my own parents, and my own are her own also. So that one is done. I all those ones when me with the settle, so now they pain on her. Now they pain on her. Then see Lolo on too. Lolo is not addressing me as her sister. If not be say because me and Lolo now don't settle, as soon as they lay up and down, she for don't go there analyze her. Or not be say because say is her kind of life or is her thing. Not because say she just want me to feel bad, she would have joined Una. But see now only Una second now they craze up and down. Nobody join Una. I man I reg bana here. I be egben one. Eh? You understand me? Just let me be. I was a mission. I'm not on a mission again. Then go. Must you always analyze anything I do? I cannot get husband. And when they say make I go, I not get husband. I don't want marry the guy or the bubu me ye wanna marry. Because where I come from, I'm a proud girl. Ibore unea or kajesan face and land. Ma, they not born that man we go put her from my shoulder. I must say to come home me. It's an abomination. It's an abomination. Match when they go even take talk say that so we carry you, see you and